Here's how to cancel your subscription on the Remini app. So when you registered on Remini, right, you used your email. So you use your email to register on the AI app. So you inputted your bank details and all of that to be able to use the app, and also to be able to use the 7 days free trial. So here's how to cancel the subscription. So go to your mail, right? You're going to be sent a reminder. So Remini sent me this reminder. They said your trial for Remini AI photo enhancer will end August 15, 2023, right? So I'm going to cancel this subscription now. I don't want to be deducted 4,950, right? So you are going to go to your mail, check for the reminder. So you click on learn how to cancel, right? Click on learn how to cancel. Then you see it's going to bring you here, right? It's going to bring you to this Google Help Center, and you click on cancel a subscription. Can you see that? After clicking on cancel a subscription, it's going to bring you to this chat with Google, right? So it says, hello, I'm Google Help Guide. Is the subscription associated with this account? Then yes. Once you click on yes, then the chatbot is going to ask you, here are the subscriptions I found. Which one would you like to cancel? Right, so I simply click on this particular subscription to cancel my subscription on the Remini app, right? So I don't just want to be randomly deducted that amount. So I'm not ready to make payment for the app, so I simply cancel. So I click on it, and it says, are you sure you want to cancel this subscription? Then I click yes. If you don't want to cancel, you can click no. If you want to be deducted that amount to continue using the app, I think for a year or so, so you can click yes. So I don't want to be deducted that amount randomly. When I am ready, I can always subscribe to it. So I simply click yes to cancel my subscription on the Remini app. So it says your subscription has been cancelled, and I've sent you an email with the details. Your account won't be charged in the next billing period. You'll be able to see your subscription until August 15, 2023. Is there something else I can help you with? I'm done. All right, okay, so when you are done, you simply click I'm done. So that is how to cancel your subscription on the Remini app. So in just a few minutes of canceling my subscription on the app, Remini sent me a mail, right? So I received a mail immediately, actually from Google. So I received a mail immediately from Google telling me that my subscription has been cancelled. So I'm not going to be randomly deducted any amount from my ATM card, right? So that is how you cancel your subscription on the Remini app. So ensure you check your email for confirmation that your subscription has been cancelled. Thank you very much for watching. Ensure you leave a like on the video, click the subscribe button, and click the notification icon to get notified when a new video drops. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.